أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. With our lesson number 9 today, and lesson number 9 is about haruf leen. There are two letters of leen, waw and ya. Now don't get confused, because waw and ya are also haruf madda as well. That's what we learned, haruf madda, waw sakin and ya sakin. But the difference between the haruf leen of today and the haruf madda of lesson 7 are that the haruf leen, if there is a zabar, a fatha before the waw sakin, then it is a waw leen. And if there is a zabar before the ya sakin, then it is a ya leen. Now on lesson number 7, if you can remember, if there was a zabar, a pesh before the waw sakin, it was a waw madda. And if there was a zair before the ya sakin, it was a ya madda. So Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal, we've learned this today about the rule of letters of leen. So there are two letters of leen, waw and ya. And if waw sakin and ya sakin, both of them, if they have a zabar on a letter before them, then they will be known as ya waw leen and ya leen. And pronounce the letters of leen gently in an Arabic accent without any stretching or sudden pausing. So inshallah Azza wa Jal, let's go and read through the lesson. And inshallah Azza wa Jal, where you need, let's repeat after me inshallah. Ba, waw, zabar, baw. Remember those letters when we read them singularly, where we stretch them in lesson number 1, we stretch them here as well. Ba, ya, zabar, bay. Baw, bay. Ta, waw, zabar, taw. Ta, ya, zabar, tay. Taw, tay. Tha, waw, zabar, thaw. Tha, ya, zabar, thay. Thaw, thay. Jim, waw, zabar, jaw. Jim, ya, zabar, jay. Jaw, jay. Ha, waw, zabar, haw. Ha, ya, zabar, hay. Haw, hay. Kha, waw, zabar, khaw. Kha, ya, zabar, khay. Khaw, khay. Dal, waw, zabar, daw. Dal, ya, zabar, day. Daw, day. Dhal, waw, zabar, dhaw. Dhal, ya, zabar, thay. Dhaw, thay. Ra, waw, zabar, raw. Remember, Ra's got a zabar now. So we need to read the Ra full mouth. Raw, raw. Ra, ya, zabar, rai. Raw, rai. I'll repeat that again. Raw, rai. Raw, rai. Za, waw, zabar, zaw. Za, ya, zabar, zay. Zaw, zay. Sin, waw, zabar, saw. Sin, ya, zabar, say. Saw, say. Sheen, waw, zabar, shaw. Sheen, ya, zabar, shay. Shaw, shay. Sad, waw, zabar, saw. Full mouth, haruf mustaliya, full mouth. Saw, saw. Sad, ya, zabar, say. Saw, say. Dad, waw, zabar, daw. Remember dad from the side of the tongues touching the upper part of the mouth. Daw. Dad, ya, zabar, day. Daw, day. Ta, waw, zabar, taw. Ta, ya, zabar, tay. Taw, tay. So all of these letters that we read, the three letters, the sad, the dad, and the ta, they are all haruf musta'liya. So let's just repeat them without spelling, but if you can repeat after me. Saw, soy, full mouth. Daw, day. Taw, tay. Next line now, inshallah azawajal. Sorry. Za, waw, zabar, zaw. Za, ya, zabar, zay. Zaw, zay. Ain, waw, zabar, aw. Ain, ya, zabar, ay. Aw, ay. Remember the ain from the middle of the throat. Aw, ay. Once more. Aw, ay. It might be a bit difficult in the beginning, but inshallah azawajal, you'll get it better. Once more. Aw, ay. MashaAllah. Next one now. Ghain, waw, zabar, ghaw. Ghain, ya, zabar, ghay. Ghaw, ghay. Remember full mouth musta'liya letters, ghain. Once more. Ghaw, ghay. Now sometimes, I come across people reading as gaw, gay. If you read it as gaw, gay, then that is wrong. You need to read it as gh. Middle, it comes from the bottom of the throat. Ghaw, ghaw. Ghaw, ghay. Next one. Fa, waw, zabar, faw. Fa, ya, zabar, fay. Faw, fay. Qaf, waw, zabar, qaw. So it's musta'liya from the top of the throat. The next one. Qaf, ya, zabar, qay. Qaw, qay. Kaf, waw, zabar, kaw. Kaf, ya, zabar, kay. Kaw, kay. Lam, waw, zabar, law. Lam, ya, zabar, lay. Law, lay. Mim, waw, zabar, maw. Mim, ya, zabar, may. Maw, may. Noon, waw, zabar, naw. Noon, ya, zabar, nay. Naw, nay. Waw, waw, zabar, waw. Waw, ya, zabar, way. Waw, way. Ha, waw, zabar, how. Ha, ya, zabar, hay. How, hay. Hamza, waw, zabar, aw. Hamza, ya, zabar, ay. Aw, ay. Ya, waw, zabar, yaw. Ya, ya, zabar, yay. Yaw, yay. Gee, mashallah, we've just been through lesson number 9. Remember, lesson number 9 is about the haruf-e-leen. So we don't stretch the haruf-e-leen like bow, bay. Don't stretch them like that. And don't jerk them as well like bow, bay. Not like that. Just normal bow, bay, taw, tay, jaw, jay, ow, ay, maw, may, like that. Don't stretch the haruf-e-leens. MashaAllah.